Hello there, my spooky, scary skeletons. It's Chloe in real life, and welcome back to another episode of Halloween Spooktacular. Today is a very important day because it marks the very first DIY of Season 3 of Halloween Spooktacular. And I have to say, I'm really happy with this one because not only is it super cute, but it is super cheap and super fast to make. This probably only took me like 5 minutes to make. Okay, well maybe 10 minutes, but I swear 5 of those minutes was just me accidentally sticking my hand in hot glue. But today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute table runners. We have this one right here and this one right here and this one right here, and they were super easy to make, so let's go make some table runners. So the items you are going to need for this DIY is these felt, I think they're like placemats, and I found them at the 99-cent store, which is like the Halloween mega store. Like seriously, I've seen some stuff at the 99-cent store than like stuff that's better than actual Halloween stores. I got these for 99 cents each. And so you're going to need those. And then you're going to need scissors, a hot glue gun, and some glue sticks. Let's do this. All right, so now it's time to make it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your placemats and kind of line it up to where you can glue it and it's going to be sturdy. Because you don't want to just glue some tiny little spider legs on the head because then it might fall apart, which is definitely a party pooper. So we're going to line it up to where these little corners meet the edge of the skeleton head. So then we have at least 4 spots that we can glue it, so it'll be nice and sturdy. And a little life hack for you guys, I always use the back of my scissors to press down the hot glue because I've burnt myself too many times. Alright, so now it's time to make the next table runner. And this one is going to be a little bit more tricky because it is the white skeletons and the black skeletons. And this one, the measuring isn't as easy. So really you just kind of want to look at it from all angles. And I'm trying to center the teeth with the nose. Alright, so here we go. And there is your table runner. And with hot glue, you gotta be careful because it leaves these pesky little strings everywhere. So you just gotta make sure that before you set your table runner up for a party, there aren't any hot glue strings on there. Alright guys, so those were the table runners. Oh my goodness, I think they came out so cute and they took like no time at all to make. I was so surprised that something so cute could be made so easily. And this is perfect because now's the time that everyone's getting really excited for Halloween and everyone starts decorating and they all start getting into the spooky mood. I mean, unless you're like me, and I'm always in the spooky mood. And so these are super customizable, and that's something I love, is you can change up the pattern however you want, or you could do as many or as little felt pieces to match your table. I did 4 like this because I have a pretty long dining room table. Or you could do 2, or the pattern like the spider webs and skeletons here could be great with 3, or you could do 8 if you have like a crazy long table, like one of those things that kings eat at with the super long table. That would be really cool. So leave a comment down below if you make these table runners, because I want to know. And if you have social media, send me a picture. I have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at ChloeNoel910, because I want to see it, because that's super awesome. I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a spooky video just like this one.